is probably where it is. It's right over here. We're coming, children. I think it's over there. It really fucking looks like it. Yeah, but look, okay, look down this road down here. I think it's over here. Look at that. I think that's a funnel. Look it. I think that's the tornado.
Oh, Jesus, fuck!
Oh, shit. I think that's really it. I don't know, that looks like something right there. I really want to go home. I really want to go home. I'm very worried. Look at it. I think that's the tornado right there. I really think that's it. Oh, fuck me. I think that's it. Oh, just at the house.
My fucking God.